So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is the officially website of the Gigabyte. You can download the driver any Gigabyte devices. So after that you can see this is the language and this is model number and this is search box. You just click on that. After click the enter your model number B760M D3HP DDR4 and then hit enter. Then click on the name of the title. Then click on support. Then select the operating system, which is Windows 10 11. So no worry about it if you're in Windows 11, Windows 11 10. So this is installations both same, Windows 10 11 installations same. VGA, this is VGA graphic card driver, and just click to download. You can see this is start downloading. It will take some time. Then it is done. Just single click to open. Now this is exe. So now this is extracts for the installations to your system. Then it is close. After that require the administrator rights for the installation. Then you can see this is required administrator rights, so click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. It will take some time and it will close automatically, means this is installed. Like that, this is installed and then close it.